moving violation. The Williams Cranehoer bunny sharpens his claws up and he's going for bunny number 2, comes to the boxes here at Mount Gambier. Set. Racing, came out in bits and pieces, but going towards the inside. Cryers Blackie and hunting up his Top Scholar. Top Scholar goes through the first corner and he wants to get off the track just a tad, just in front, but going on its outside and going on by as I speak is Arbor Sophie. Shot away down the back, and second placing now Cryers Blackie. Third Top Scholar, gap 4 or 5 lengths further back. Then we've got Destiny Diamond further back, moving in motion. Second last, and last of all Petite Kiddo, a mile off them. Round the corner they go, and Arbor Sophie's home for the team money in the second. She's getting a little tired, but it's going to get home and score from Top Scholar. Arbor Sophie wins, Top Scholar second. Third placing Cryers Blackie. Fourth then we've got Destiny Diamond to qualify. A gap further back to moving violation, and the last one in was Petite Kiddo. 7134 should be the numbers here at Mount Gambier. 7134 as they cross the line. 7134, pretty soft win in the finish there by Arbor Sophie. 451 1748 with the splits. 451 17. We'll get those 58, I think it was, but overall time 30:49. We'll get that split when it comes up again. 7-1 going into the fight, 3, and it should be 4 for 4th, I fancy. We'll see if the judge agrees. He does. 7-1, 3 and 4. Good run, Arbor Sophie, a white and black bitch by Cosmic Rumble out of Kirkstall Jane. Raced by Barry Shepherd and Kevin Jones in partnership. They'd be pretty rapid. Not a bad little pup, this one. So Kevin Jones might have been a partner and a pretty handy one here in Arbor Sophie. She's only very inexperienced, but that was a much improved run from her first run here. A length and 3/4 with the margins. 1 3/4 by 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and we'll get those second split when it comes up. Overall time of 30:49. Second placing went to number 1, which is Top Scholar, white and black dog, College Causeway, Suns Up, raced and trained by Cap Abbott. Third placing to Cryers Blackie, a black bitch by Fierce Symphonic out of Young Diva, raced and trained by Tommy Cryer, Apsley. Fourth placing going to number 4, Destiny Diamond.